Massive deal. Don't ignore the outstanding Black & Decker toaster oven 4-slice and see why everyone is going crazy for it. Welcome back to our channel, where we review the best products on the market. Today we're diving deep into Black & Decker toaster oven 4-slice. This product has been getting incredible reviews with NA. This product is absolutely mind-blowing. It features trending home product found on Google. Transform ordinary into extraordinary. Transform ordinary into extraordinary. Elevate your experience significantly. Maximize efficiency with ease. And the best part, it's available for just NA. The value you get for this price is absolutely unbeatable. The hottest item flying off shelves. Incredible savings. Over 50% off through our link. The description has all the links and exclusive deals. Thousands of satisfied customers can't be wrong. Purchase today for instant satisfaction. Incredible savings. Over 50% off through our link. Today only. Never seen this price before. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to never miss our exclusive offers. Everything you need is in the description. Don't forget to check it. You can get over 50% discount right now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to never miss our exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video with more amazing deals.